What up, guys? This is your boy DJY, and I'm back with another episode. Guys, first of all, I want to say happy 2023. Wish you everything best, everything beautiful in your life in 2023. Now, guys, in today's episode, I want to show you this is how Puffy celebrated Happy New Year with Meek Mill, Fabolous. Here was Quavo, and many more. Check this out the video.
Now about like 23 game one. Sniping game, I'm always
Said it's one thing to both of y'all. I love y'all and y'all fuck me. I swear to God. No, I swear to God, I'm gonna be both y'all today.
Guys, honestly to say, I'm so happy to see Quavo have a smile on his face, man. This is beautiful, bro. So as you see, guys, they really had such a crazy night, man. Here was so many legends on the same place, man. You know that Puffy always have such a crazy parties, man. This is beautiful. So, guys, before I'll finish the video, I want to say it again. Happy 2023. I'm sure that this year will be the best, man. So don't forget to subscribe Yacht TV, get notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. The way more footages on the way. Happy 2023. This is yours truly, one and all, DJ Y. I love you guys. Peace.
YTV is in the building. YTV is in the building, baby.